Hey everybody, this is Patrick with Certainty Management and ercTree. I wanted to share with you my top 5 favorite secrets or tips for doing really well at this ERC business. The first is to not spend all your time learning it. Don't fall prey to analysis paralysis. Don't feel like you have to be an expert at everything, every jot and tittle to get out and do it. The key to doing this is opening your mouth. Get out and share it and tell everyone you know about it. We have a what's called a memory jogger that's in the write-up that we've given you. It's a just kind of a reminder of who do you know? You know, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your barber, your former colleagues, former coworkers, former employers. It's just a memory jogger. So I encourage you first and foremost to look through that memory jogger, grab a pen and paper while you do it, jot down a list of every person you know who could potentially be a prospect, and then get out and do it. That's the first thing. Open your mouth, talk about it, don't delay. Secondly, the more you get involved in opportunities to get to know new people, the better. If you will network, go to meetup events. You can go to meetup.com and see what's going on in town. You can participate in Chamber of Commerce, BNI, Rotary. Many of these you can come as a guest 1 or 2 times before you have to actually join and pay money. There's lots of BNI chapters. There's lots of ACA, American Club Association chapters. You can attend as a guest 1 or 2 times and then maybe go to another chapter and be a guest in another chapter. There's a lot of free networking opportunities. I encourage you to use them. Third, don't forget that you can not only get paid for commissions for selling customers, but you can get paid an enormous amount for recruiting others and creating an affiliate team. So I encourage you to do that. Share this with your friends and family and loved ones and coworkers and others that are also looking for ways to get ahead. This is a fantastic way to increase your income, increase the energy. You know, when you recruit someone, you're going to lead by example. It's going to help you engage more, and it's just a really good idea. The fourth thing is that if you're out working and talking to people, and as you're signing up customers, don't forget to ask for referrals, especially when you've signed a customer and they get their quote, or even when they get their money. Many times they'll just offer, hey, can you talk to my friend, my brother-in-law, whoever, my pastor? But if they don't, make sure that you're asking for those referrals. Who else do you know that we can help? It's a really easy question, and it will multiply your efforts, become a snowball effect. It will bless you and them. And lastly, have faith. Just know that you can do this. You don't have to be an expert. We have a write-up that can teach you the ropes. You can join our Certainty Connect app and ask questions. You have a mentor, whoever recruited you probably knows more than you do. We're here to help. Don't delay. Don't be afraid. Okay. You get out and put in the time, it will come back to you 100-fold. I encourage you to do so. Don't be shy. We're here. We have a great support network. We have 2 meetings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. You'll learn a lot if you come join us. I encourage you to do so. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for your efforts. I wish you the very best.